Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Javy. I'm so excited to get more Javy, so let's get in here and check it out so I can go drink it. I started receiving Javy last month and I love it. I wasn't sure. They reached out and asked if I would like to show it on the channel. I said absolutely yes. I also, and by the way, an affiliate, they give you an affiliate code. I will put my link below. It will get you 20% off your first order. I didn't know how I'd feel about it when I first did it. And last time, and I'll do the same thing this time, we got it, I unboxed it, and then I went down and made drinks out of it, and I made 3 drinks. They were all so good. Let's start getting this open because this box, all of my boxes make me happy for different reasons. Like, who doesn't love new makeup, new skincare, all of those things. I love coffee. I like tea too, but in the morning, I want my coffee. At pumpkin spice time, I am that girl. I want my pumpkin spice. I just like so many flavors of it. I love it iced. I do drink hot coffee, especially once it starts getting really cold. I will go to more hot coffee, but I love an iced coffee. You can go onto their website. They give you a ton of recipes. Oh, they sent me something fun. Have a cup. That is fun and exciting. I love a cup. More importantly, I have coffee. They asked if last time I chose decaf because a lot of the times during the day I will start, if I have my first coffee and it's hot, I will start with regular coffee, but I almost always, I can't keep onboarding caffeinated all day. I can have a couple, but I can't drink as much, frankly, as I like to if it's all caffeinated. So I do like to have some decaf around for an option, but they asked me if I'd like to try their flavors this time, and I don't think any of the flavors come in decaf. But what this is a microdose coffee. It's a 30 times concentrate, and it says that you have 30 servings in each of these bottles. And I found that pretty much to be exactly right. You can have up to 30 servings. You can use, they say in 6 to 8 ounces, you can use 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. In 8 ounces, they recommend 3 teaspoons, so a tablespoon. But I found that most of the time, a teaspoon worked for me. Now, I haven't tried a flavor one yet, so we'll see how I feel about adding more flavor. So this one, I might go to a tablespoon of. We will go downstairs in a minute and try it. I'm going to make this nice white chocolate mocha. I'm so happy. This is a limited release. They have some flavors that they keep in their line constantly. I think I wrote them down last time. Caramel, mocha, and French vanilla seem to be what they have all of the time. And then they rotate limited release ones. And this white chocolate mocha was one of the limited releases. And I was like, yeah, I have to try that. And then this one is the original. So now I have a decaf. Cards on the table. I don't have much decaf left. I've used most of it. So I have decaf, a little bit, an original, and a white chocolate mocha. Let's see what this cup is. They are sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, so it's good quality coffee. This cup is so cute, and that lid just snapped on there well. Oh, like it says Javy. That's so cute. Drop it like it's hot, cold. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What we have are coffee concentrates. They are artisan grown roasted coffee beans. So it's a really good quality coffee. And trust me when I tell you, if it wasn't good coffee, we would not be having this conversation because I don't like it when people mess with my coffee. And an unopened bottle is good for 6 months. They say once you open it, you should use it within about 6 weeks. So that's a good rule of thumb. But let's go downstairs and open these up and make a couple of drinks. I cannot wait to try the white chocolate mocha. I mean, the original, it's delicious. But I know it's delicious. I've had it. I can't wait to try a flavor. This will be the first one of theirs that I've tried as a flavor. So, okay, let's go taste them. That's why we're really here. That's why I'm really here. Let's go. Okay, we're downstairs and it's time to try some Javy. I have the Javy white chocolate mocha and the Javy original. I have found a couple of different drink recipes that we want to try. So we're going to do 2 iced and 1 hot because we're moving into fall and we really need to try this as hot. I am making hot water as we speak in my coffee maker. So the first one we're going to do is cold, and we're going to do the white chocolate mocha latte. So what we need are 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to go by the recipe, but you guys know when we did this last time, I was quite happy with just 1 teaspoon. I'm really glad. Was that off camera or did you guys just see that? I guess I'll know in editing. Oh my gosh. Okay. 2 teaspoons of the white chocolate mocha, maybe a little more. Took a second to get a paper towel and clean this off because of course I'm gonna do this and have my first mistake when I'm wearing a white shirt. So we have 2 teaspoons, give or take, of the white chocolate mocha coffee concentrate. And there are 30 servings in this if you use 1 teaspoon serving. So at 2 teaspoons, you would have 15 servings. But last time we did it, I was just as happy with the 1 teaspoon, but we're making this one by the recipe. So 2 teaspoons. And all we're gonna add to this is 6 to 8 ounces of milk. So I have 8 here. So let's see. Yep, it's gonna take all 8. Ooh, doesn't that look good? It's looking so good. Have a straw. I have these little paper straws left over from when I had the girls. So I'm gonna try it sweetened and unsweetened, because in this one I really want to see if I can taste the white chocolate mocha because it's one of their special flavors. I think they have a pumpkin spice now. I need to go over. I got an email this morning right before I taste this, and I think they've added pumpkin spice. That is good. I have a sweet tooth. I'm getting ready to tape my Weight Watchers video, so I'll explain that then, but I have a crazy sweet tooth, so I think I will like it better sweetened. I can absolutely taste the mocha. I'm not sure what makes white chocolate mocha though. This, I just mostly taste the chocolate in, but I'm not complaining about that. I do love some chocolate. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Yeah, for me it's all about having it sweetened. Now, sweetening it didn't just make it sweet, but to me it made it taste more like the white chocolate mocha. That is good. That is really good. I like that one a lot. Next out, we're gonna do our hot. And in honor of the fact that we're going to Disney World soon, I took out my Disney mugs. Probably just to justify buying more Disney mugs when I'm there this time, but whatever works. So to make the cafe hot Javy, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of this in 8 ounces of hot water. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk and sweetener because that's how I drink my coffee, but you could absolutely just drink it black. So we've opened it. I'm gonna be way more careful this time. Oh yeah, much more careful. I'm gonna put my sweetener in, and I know we talked about this last time, and I actually have, coming from Amazon, some monk fruit sweetener. But until then, make and do with my Sweet and Low. I've always drunk Sweet and Low, so a couple more days isn't gonna hurt. Just a splash of milk. I really don't need much milk, just a little bit. Actually, I should have tried it. I should have tried it without the milk, because I started drinking it with the milk because although I love coffee, sometimes it's a little acidic. So I did it for that, but let's see. Oh, it's hot. I can tell already. It's hot, which is nice because it's kind of a nice cool day here. It's kind of, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a little dark in here because it's like all fall-like outside. I know, I'm taking one last gasp at summer with a tank top and a little pullover jacket, but just know I'm cheating. It's definitely wearing a lot of white. Okay, let's give it a try. So hot. Oh, delicious. I like that a lot. That is good. I will admit, I drink my coffee a little stronger than that, so I'm going in with a 2nd teaspoon. We'll see what that does with the strength. So maybe in the hot, I need 2 teaspoons, but in the cold, I only need 1. Let's see. Because this one, I did 2 teaspoons in. Yeah, I definitely could have done 1 in that. I for some reason need less in the cold. Okay, that was so good. Perfect. Okay, so when I drink this hot, I want 2 teaspoons, which means I'm going to get 15 cups out of one of these. When I drink it cold, a lot of the times, I'm happy with 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna get 15 to 30 servings, depending on if I drink it hot or cold, which if you compare it to like drinks out in Starbucks, that kind of thing, it's a good deal. The hot is really good because like I said, it's fall-like out there, although looks like the sun's trying to come out. And last, we're going to do another iced drink. We're going to do a classic Americano, which for years when I went to Starbucks, this is what I chose. Lately, I've been just really on a skinny latte kick, just a skinny vanilla or skinny cinnamon dulce latte, but I used to just get a decaf cafe Americano, non-fat, 2 sweet lows. I know. Okay, since it's a classic Americano, technically I shouldn't use the white chocolate. Okay, I'll do the mature thing. We're just gonna use the original coffee concentrate, and all we have is, I have a cup of ice, We're going to put 2 teaspoons of the Javy concentrate in it, 6 to 8 ounces of water, which from my Weight Watchers perspective, so far we've added 0 calories. And then if you want a sweetener, you can put a sweetener in it. And they suggest putting a little foam on it. So just to make it simple, I got this out. You guys know I have the one that we got from FabFitFun that you stand here and whip. While my foam whips up, we're going to go ahead and add the Sweet and Low. I'm going to get about 8 ounces of water from my bread. Yeah, I drink so much water, I need that. This looks like an Americano. Let's try it just like coffee. I don't think I've ever had their original iced with no milk or anything in it. Let's give that a try. Oh, it's just good. I like that. I love iced coffee. I like hot coffee too. Like when winter comes, I like hot coffee. But, and I know, I'm talking about Javy here, but if I do hot, I tend to do tea. But I drink iced coffee at least, I'll say at least 2 cups a day. That's good. But we're going to put a little bit of the foam on it. Is this done? Yes. Oh, I made it hot. I pushed the wrong button and it's very hot. You know what? We're going to use it anyway. If it melts a little bit of my ice, it melts a little bit of my ice. I also didn't get much foam. Fail. Look how pretty. Not exactly what I was going for. I love my bottom though. Oh my gosh. We use this. I won't use it for this as much this year because I am doing better with my eating. But we made, you just put your hot cocoa in here and your milk in here and it has a hot cocoa button. Actually, I will link this below in case anybody has any interest. I love this thing. I think I got it for Christmas like 2 years ago. And it just has the one button. And if you push it once, I think that's when you get cold. And I think I pushed it twice. But it just has this, sits on here. And then that goes on there. You can do hot foam, cold foam, and hot cocoa. And I never have any issues with it making huge amounts of foam. I've never tried to foam that little. I mean, that was like, I don't know, maybe 3 tablespoons of milk. It wasn't much at all because I didn't want to turn this into a latte. And it must need more than that to foam. Yeah. But I love what that little bit of milk added. A little warm, took it down a little bit, but my eyes still help. So, we have a white chocolate mocha latte. Yeah, that's my favorite. This is, the white chocolate mocha is delicious. It's like chocolatey, but a little less chocolatey. Yeah. I don't know how to describe it except for delicious. And then this is the original that I just made an Americano out of it. Ended up with a little more milk in it than you would normally put in an Americano. Delicious. And we tried our hot for the first time. Also very good. How much fun is it to just stand around and make 3 different kinds of coffee and taste them? That's pretty fun. I hope you guys are enjoying it too because I'm loving it. Okay, so that is what I got this time from Javy. We have the original and the white chocolate mocha. They do, like I said, a lot of different flavors. They have a French vanilla. I think they're doing a pumpkin pie spice now. They just do a lot. And this is the first flavor one I try, and it says limited release on it, so it must not be out forever. But I think I'm gonna get another one before it sells out because that is delicious. If you have any interest in Javy, I will put the link below. It will get you 20% off your first order. I am an affiliate with them, but back when I made my first video, if I had tried it and not liked it, you would have never seen the video because I get some things that I don't like and you guys just never see. But this is delicious and easy and way cheaper than Starbucks. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Aw, sadness. I got this out because I didn't know if I'd want it on anything. I do. I want it on something. It has to look like a party. It looks more like a party now. This is so good. This is so good. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon. I think I'm going to go tape now a video about Weight Watchers and my weight loss experience and all that. So I will probably have that up tomorrow. Bye guys.